In this guide, you will learn how to upgrade your iPhone to iOS 17, which is the latest iPhone operating system. Okay, so tap on Settings. As the Settings page opens, scroll down and then tap on General. This is the next page you will see. Okay, then one of the options on this page is Software Update. Tap on Software Update. On this new page, you can see here Upgrade to iOS 17. So tap on that and follow the on-screen guide. On this new page, you can see iOS 17.0.2. That's the latest operating system, alright, of iPhone devices. So tap on Download and Install. A notification shows up on your screen. Just as you can see here, it says use cellular data to download. Yes, I want to use that. So I will tap on the option use cellular data. It depends on your choice. So if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you can use Wi-Fi as well. We are almost done with the installation, and this can take up to 15 minutes depending on the internet signal strength. Okay, after downloading of the software, you will see an interface that looks like this. So under the iOS 17.0.2, you see the text downloaded, meaning the software has been downloaded. So the next step you need to take now is to tap on Install Now. The verification is ongoing. Your iPhone will restart for some minutes, just as you can see on the screen right now. Once the installation is completed, this is the home screen you will see. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please do like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you some other time.